We have this beautiful occasion within Hager to work on physical products and on digital products. We used to have so many, and we still have so many physical things in our catalog. And now we have the digital world coming in. We don't think of it as two separate worlds. We think of it as linked worlds. So if we think of design now, we want to design our physical products the same way we design our digital products, and the other way around. So that's how you make a link between both. Inside our design studio, we have what we call interactive designers. Interactive designers, they care about the digital and they care about the relationship you have with products and of course with apps. And one of the best examples we care about today is Hager Ready.
If you want to design a great application, you really need to know your customer. What we do is we start with user research. It means interviews, observation, questionnaires. We get into the field and meet our customers. Once we have done the customer analysis, the user research, we can then start the ideation phase. Really imagine what we can offer our customers. What kind of screen they need to be, the flows, the different options, navigation, etc. And what is very important here is to make it easy, really easy to use, safe and simple, as we say.
Every detail is important, so we designed Hager Ready for the simplicity. We used easy to understand icon, practical gesture and adapted contrast.
All our Hager products have a real specific feeling. That's what we call the DNA. It's the values of the brand. It's what really it's the look and feel, it's what you understand, it's how you really experience our product. So this is also the case in the digital world. We also have a very specific way of dealing with apps, and this goes through colors we use, this goes to the typology we use, this goes also to what we call the UX, the user experience, the logic that comes in. That's all part of what is and makes a brand recognizable by the customers. So what do we want to do? We want to be a relationship brand. Now, the digital world is really the ideal world to build up that relation, because people carry apps with them, and they use them, so you have a direct relation with them. That's about building up relationships to the digital. Very important issue for our DNA.
This was really one of the most collaborative projects I've ever done at Hager. There were a lot of departments involved and a lot of people. We started by doing several workshops in Paris and in Frankfurt, and there were like 15, 20 people at a time. We did a lot of exercises together, and a lot of the tools we used actually came from design thinking to really get the collaboration and the creativity going. The collaboration didn't stop there. It continued, and it actually continues until today.
If you want to be customer-centric, there are several levels of customer knowledge. Either you put yourself in the customer's shoes and you imagine that you know their wants, their needs, their wishes. Or you need to validate your assumptions, and then you need to have a real customer in front of you. So you see that professional testing is essential, not only for products, but for apps especially.
A lot of people have been working on it from very, very different skills with very, very different expertise. What we are doing in the design studio is focusing on added value, delight, clarity, safety and simpleness. This is what we really want to bring in.